Oh, that one just sneezed.
Furball. Hey?
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Piggy Wiggies must be down the other end. Just take my jumper off. See?
Really?
No, it's alright in here, but when I go outside.
Well,
Oh, it's fur, Sophie?
yes, but it's a lot of fur.